Welcome back to MasterSuite series. So the first one we went through on getting started, how to get our accounts created and all those things, how to log in. And now we begin with setting up the system with basic information. So in this video, I'll show you where to review and manage your school's basic information and system settings. So okay, so if you have been able to log in, the next thing we do is that we need to go to our settings. When you get to settings, here you are basically going to set up the school profile. So you have to go through and type the school name, go ahead and type the school official phone number, go ahead and type the school's address, go ahead and type the region, whatever information that you have here, you need to go and type it here, and then you upload the logo. Just bear in mind that whatever details you put here, it is actually going to appear on your school reports. Anything that is going to be printed, anything that is going to be exported as PDF, it is actually going to appear on it. So just bear in mind that whatever details you put here should be the correct details. Then you move on to student management. Here, you are asking the system that every student ID should start with this. So automatically, if you want your school initials to be the beginning of the student ID, you can go ahead and do that. And then, so here is a preview of the student ID. So you go through it and think that if you don't want it to be like this, just go through and select what you want. Then you go to class rules. So class rules, there are schools that have A and B. So you go ahead and then you select whatever. If you think yours is Form 1 or Basic 7A, Basic 6A and B, you go ahead and do that. Then you go to assessment and report. You go ahead. So assessment and report has to do with conduct, attitudes, interest, and all those things. You go ahead and then you configure it here. The next one has to do with SMS, which we'll focus on that in another video, how to set up the SMS. There is also another WhatsApp communication model that I added. We'll talk about that in another video. And this one is also an email tool. If you want to send email as a way of communicating with parents, I will speak about that. And this is also the birthday greetings message. And this is also another one that I will focus on in another video. But if you have all these details, you can go ahead and then put them in there. And this one has to do with security and what the system is actually offering you as a way of protecting you from hackers or anything like that. So you can go ahead and then read it. And this is the Wi-Fi and LAN, which simply means that if you want other users to be able to access your system in the school, you can configure that out from here. You go through it, and then it's as simple as that. Just scan this and it will open the browser for you. So anybody who wants to get access to it will be able to use your system. So basically that has to do with the settings for today. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.